So I have one very specific question.
Yeah?
And this is a question I've had for a few years that I, in all of my heart, believe that the answer to this question is ideally going to come from you.
That's interesting, because if you've had a question for a long time with no solution, that means you haven't been in the receptive mode.
I have.
And if you believe that now you're going to receive it, then what is it about Abraham that makes you believe that you are now in the receptive mode?
It's the ability that Abraham has to answer this question, not the question I have.
All right.
So I'm gonna step out for a second and just say the question. There's a painting called Terry's Find. And it possibly was painted by Jackson Pollock. And Jackson Pollock passed away in the 40s. And there's no ability to verify the authenticity of it. And I believe that there's a possibility that Abraham could.
Well, you know it yourself. The reason that you're even asking the question is because you've tapped into the energy that lets you know that that's what it was. And the reason that this question is something that we are embracing so happily here is because we want you all to feel what it's like for those who have been here before, who have re-emerged in a non-physical, how they feel when you focus on something that they were a part of. And where do you think that impulse came? Where do you think that idea came? Of course that's who painted it. Of course. For sure, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. For sure. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 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 And all of this enthusiasm you are feeling is from the artist who has been saying that to you for such a long time, and you've been unwilling to listen until somebody's screaming it in your ear.
Correct. Correct. And I knew that you were the source that would be able to communicate that with me without a doubt.
Yeah. Good. Enough?
Enough.
Really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.